Welcome to Peace of Mind on the Plate, a video about eliminating foodborne pathogens without the compromise of toxic chemicals. Foodborne pathogens like Salmonella and E. coli spread through processing facilities, cross-contamination hubs, and eventually reach your kitchen table. For decades, the standard has been a trade-off. Fight unchecked bacteria with harsh chemical cleaners. This compromise is no longer acceptable. The biological breakthrough is hypochlorous acid, or HOCl. This is the same molecule naturally produced by the immune system to destroy infections. Through a specialized electrolytic process, simple salt and water are transformed with an electrical charge into Danolyte HOCl, an industrial-strength, hospital-grade disinfectant. Resilient bacteria form protective biofilms that repel standard bleach and quats. Danolyte physically breaches this biofilm shield, destroying hidden pathogens. Danolyte offers clinical-grade power that is naturally derived. Its active ingredient is hypochlorous acid, which kills 99.9% of bacteria in exactly 2 minutes. It is also EPA registered. The Danolyte standard uses naturally derived HOCl, penetrates biofilms, is 100% safe for food contact surfaces, requires 0 post-rinse, and is safe for all members of the family. The 4 pillars quadrant highlights Danolyte's hospital-grade efficacy against bacteria and biofilms, while also being food contact safe and eco-friendly. Danolyte is at the intersection of extremes, providing hospital-level efficacy and being 100% organic and non-toxic. Protect your family from both pathogens and toxic chemicals. Danolyte offers true food safety with 0 toxic residue and 0 post-rinse. It causes no flavor alteration and naturally degrades back into simple, harmless saltwater. Take control of your kitchen. Use Danolyte to sanitize prep areas, clean your tools to halt cross-contamination, and deodorize naturally at the molecular level. With Danolyte, you can disinfect worry-free. Embrace the biomimetic power of Danolyte to stop foodborne pathogens in their tracks. Protect your family and enjoy peace of mind on every plate by shopping now at danolyteglobal.com.